Attorney, na ako napalit na property sa akong amiga, pero wala mi written contract. Valid ba ni amuhang agreement? Let us talk about validity and enforceability of contract. These two are different from each other. Insofar as validity of contract is concerned, the contract is valid regardless of its form. Meaning, pwede oral agreement, pwede po written agreement. It doesn't matter. The contract is valid as long as the elements are present. As regards enforceability, the law requires, particularly the statute of frauds concerning sale of real properties, that the contract should be in writing. Otherwise, it cannot be enforced through a proper action in court unless ratified. So sa imong situation, ma'am, your contract with your amiga is valid, but it may not be enforceable in court. So the purpose why it is important that any agreement concerning sale of real properties must be in writing is for purposes of enforceability, not validity. Because if in case there's a breach of contract, how are you going to prove the existence of the contract in court if you don't have any written contract? Again, oral contracts are valid but they may not be enforceable in court. Oral contracts are good only if walay breach of contract. But once na ay breach of contract, it's very difficult to prove it in court. That's why, again, it would be best that any agreement, regardless of the amount, you should put it in writing to protect your interest as well. So I hope you learned something, and this is Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.